Drywall is a deadline. Once the walls close, every forgotten cable, blocked pathway, and badly placed outlet becomes slower, messier, and more expensive to fix. Before the sheetrock crew starts, walk the house with this 10-point checklist. This is not about filling the walls with gadgets. It is about preserving options while changes are still practical. Check number 1. Confirm the plan room by room. Stand where the furniture, televisions, desks, beds, and equipment will actually go. A floor plan may show a television wall, but not the exact screen center, mounting height, speaker locations, or cabinet depth. Mark device locations on the framing and verify them from normal viewing positions. A cable in the correct room but the wrong stud bay is still a mistake. Number 2. Choose one proper home run location. Network, camera, audio, control, and service wiring needs an organized destination with ventilation, lighting, electrical power, grounding where required, and enough working space. Avoid tiny closets that trap heat, wet mechanical areas, and locations that future shelves or equipment will block. Leave room for a rack, patch panels, modem, router, switches, battery backup, and future additions. Number 3. Design Wi-Fi before choosing access point locations. One router in a utility room is rarely a whole home plan. Consider floor area, construction materials, metal ductwork, masonry, radiant barriers, and outdoor coverage. Ceiling access points usually need dedicated data cable home runs. Do not place them where a light fixture, beam, decorative ceiling treatment, or tall cabinet will interfere. Exact quantity and placement should follow the house, not a generic square foot rule. Number 4. Check every camera view. A camera needs more than a cable near a corner. Confirm the actual view of faces, doors, vehicles, gates, and approaches. Watch for porch roofs, gutters, lights, downspouts, and future landscaping that could block the image or cause glare. Run each camera cable directly to the network location and leave a service loop. Never conceal an unapproved splice inside a finished wall. Number 5. Coordinate every television and display wall. Verify electrical power, data, conduit or an accessible pathway, equipment location, sound plan, and blocking for the mount. Decide whether sources will live behind the television, in a cabinet, or in a central rack. HDMI requirements change, so a usable conduit with gentle bends can be more valuable than guessing one permanent cable. Follow electrical and fire stopping requirements and keep low voltage work separated as required. Number 6. Check speakers, subwoofers, and audio zones. Confirm speaker symmetry, ceiling obstructions, joists, ducts, plumbing, lights, fans, and access panels. Decide where amplifiers will live and run speaker cable back to that point. Outdoor speakers and subwoofers also need planned routes. Photograph the framing with measurements so future cutouts do not become a treasure hunt. Number 7. Plan shades, lighting control, doors, and gates. Motorized shades may need power or low voltage wiring at the correct side of each window. Smart keypads and centralized lighting require coordination with the electrician before rough-in is complete. Doorbells, contacts, locks, garage controls, driveway gates, and intercoms can all need pathways. Confirm compatible equipment and manufacturer requirements before selecting cable types. Number 8. Add spare pathways where access will be difficult. Useful locations include the equipment room to the attic, crawlspace, television walls, office, gate, detached building, and exterior service areas. A pathway must remain accessible, sized for realistic cables, and installed with pull strings and manageable bends. Empty conduit is not magic if it ends behind drywall or turns too sharply to use. Number 9. Label, photograph, and document everything. Label both ends of every cable with a room and purpose. Create a cable schedule. Photograph each wall straight on and include a tape measure or known framing reference. Save the plans, device list, test results, and photos in one project folder. Good documentation reduces labor during trim-out and makes future service far easier. Number 10. Test before the walls close. Visual inspection is not enough. Verify cable routes and labels, check accessible terminations, and test each run with tools appropriate to the cable and project specification. Confirm there are no crushed cables, tight staples, sharp bends, damaged jackets, hidden splices, or penetrations missing required fire stopping. Then complete one final walkthrough with the homeowner, electrician, builder, and low-voltage contractor so responsibilities are clear. Here is the bottom line: the most expensive pre-wire mistake is not forgetting one trendy device. It is failing to coordinate the house as one system before access disappears. Keep the design practical, preserve pathways, document the work, and use qualified trades for electrical, structural, code, and manufacturer-specific requirements. To make that walkthrough easier, Tolbert's audio-video offers a pre-drywall smart home planning kit that helps homeowners organize wiring, device locations, and the questions to ask before construction moves forward. Request the planning kit or schedule a pre-drywall planning consultation at tolbertsav.com. Subscribe to the Smart Home Fix for the next video: what to plan before your electrician starts.